one day from the sky. Crazy rain. I'm stuck in one of the sheds. Hey, what is up guys? Back again in Cambodia. This time it's going to be very exciting. So I'm here in the middle of the most beautiful rice field in Siem Reap, and it's raining season. I've been going solo camping for a long time and literally just feel really like want to get out and about. So we don't have mountains in this area, but we got such a nice rice field. I'm just out here by myself, and that is my motorbike here. I've got some rice and some stuff, but I haven't got actually like things to eat with it. So it's gonna be a bit starving, but you know, I was struggling to find some place to pitch as well, and then the light's almost gone right now, so I've got to find somewhere to chill. So yeah, so here I am gonna be crashing in one of this like abundant place. And that's the only thing that I can do because I'm bringing my hammock. I've got a tent as well, but you know, maybe in a hammock would be nice. So I'm gonna use one of these holes. Oh, hello, there is a lizard there. And just trying to make sure that this is strong enough. Oh, this is not that strong. Movable. That's okay. I might probably use this one and this one. Yeah, this seem to be okay as well. All right, so yeah, it looks like pretty tough, pretty strong, and yeah, I might crash here then. So unpack my stuff, get my top set up, as well as the hammocks down, and cooking. So it's going to be a late one, because literally the sun's almost gone right now. So yeah, let's get into action. Do you know what? I actually changed my mind. I was thinking of sleeping in a hammock, but I've got my tent, but I haven't been using that much. So tonight, yeah, I might just use the tent instead.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, just want to give you a bit of updates, and I have to move to evacuate from the place where I pitched the tent because it's the main road and it's so busy. And turn out my cousin is come and have a look at, keep an eye on his farm. This is in the middle of his rice farm. You can see all this grass around here. And yeah, so this is one of his shelter house, and it's really nice. And he's like just come to his place here, and I was like, yeah, might as well come in there. And then turned out it's a really nice place, and he brought like a lot of stuff for his supplies, and then turned out it becomes my dinner too. It's got some water, lots of water in there. Got some beers too. Whew. Oh my goodness, it's got some fish, it's got some bacons in it. And you want to say hello?
Hello, I'm Sawan.
Yeah, so it's a really nice looking spot. Looks like a very like classic Cambodian. And now, get the food ready. Got some rice being cooked right now. And yeah, look at this. So cool. Right, so we're just gonna start cooking it. It's time to enjoy while cooking. And look, I've got some rice, it's ready. I've got some beer also, is coming. Ah, my goodness me. And see what else I've got. Oh, the rice, guys, look at the rice, perfectly cooked. And about to fry some bacons. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. So,
Ini kelengkrat.
okay. Look at that, you hear that? Wow, bacon! And I've got some fish, snake head as well. And the cooler box there. This is my lifestyle for tonight. Listen. What else do I expect from it? Absolutely not, but I really enjoyed it so far. We've got a super chef here. Usually I'm the one who's chefing around, but now I've got a master chef. Cheers guys, welcome to Cambodia. It's stuck. Oh no dude, you're gonna get dragonfly. Come and enjoy my dinner. Go on. And we've got everything that we need just for this beautiful spot. And here, us two enjoy having a lashing evening. Beautiful dinner with. We've got the fan running up there. This is something that you expected. I feel like a crazy weather, riding through the mud, scramble through the countryside, end up in the rice field. And this is the actually thing that I enjoy. But look at the texture of this villa. It's absolutely amazing. Look the way they do it. It's so nice. Like you got like stuff here. You got like a lower case that you can actually enjoy the cooking and all this kind of stuff. And you also got like a bed there as well, which people can come and chill. And the roof is actually made from palm leaves. So I like it. Very nice. So I'm in bed right now, and you see, getting really sweaty. And I have one fan here, you see, that one. It's a fan. I've got another one, UFO, there above me as well. You can tell that I'm too hot. And then in there, see that? Some dudes try to get in already. Another one there. I'm glad that I have mosquito nets. What? Some even breaking into my already, dude. No way. How on earth is it getting there? Right. One is fine. I'm gonna evacuate it out of the tent. Get out, buddy. Don't want you to be in the tent. Right. You just really want to be in my hammock, don't you? Alright guys, I think it's time for me to go to bed, and I'll see you in the morning.